Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to add or update an element in a dictionary. You can add one value at a time by defining value along with the key in a dictionary. For example, let's create a dictionary. Here is the key and the value. Key and value. Just define the key and assign its value. Let's print our dictionary. So it will add an element in a dictionary. As you can see here is the key and its value. You can update an existing value in a dictionary by using the built-in function update. If you want to update an element in a dictionary using built-in function, so use update, the function name, and update age and its value. Let's print the dictionary. So here you can see the element has been updated with 45. Let's create an empty dictionary. When you print this dictionary, it will print your empty dictionary. Now let's add element one at a time in this dictionary. Here is the key and its value. Here is the second key, its value, and the third key equals to value. Now print your dictionary. So you can see here keys and its values. So you can add element one at a time like this. And if you want to add some set of values in a dictionary, so you can also add a set of value. So here is the result. Here is my key and its value as a tuple. While adding a value, if the key value already exists, the value gets updated. Otherwise, a new key with the value is added to the dictionary. For example, here is the name and its value. Then again key, its value, now let's add a key, that is address, and its value Delhi. So it will add this address key with its value Delhi in your dictionary. because this key is not in our dictionary. And if you want to update the already existing key with some values, so you can use like this. So it will change your 30 with the value 34. So here you can see. So when we add a value, if the key value already exists, the value gets updated. Otherwise, a new key with the value is added to the dictionary. Now let's see how to access element in a dictionary. Dictionary uses the keys to access the value. Key can be used either inside square brackets or with the get method. So let's take an example. Here is my dictionary in a variable my dict equals to, and define the dictionary. Here is the key, its value, next key and its value, so you can access the elements with its key. So it will return the value Ashish. So here is the key and the value for this key is Ashish. You can also access values by using function get. By using get function, you can also access values. You just pass the key, so it will also access your value. A dictionary operation that takes a key, finds a corresponding value is called lookup, and each of the keys within a dictionary must be unique. There cannot be duplicate keys in a dictionary. You can access keys in a dictionary also. For example, here is my dictionary. Let's print it. If you want to access all the keys from your dictionary, so you can use keys attribute. So by using keys function, you can access all the keys from your dictionary, or you can also access its values by using values function. So here you can see the values for our dictionary. And in the next video, we will see how to delete elements and how to traverse dictionary elements. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please write an email. Thank you.